welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing okay. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create this full glam makeup. So this full glam makeup using Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And yeah, so if you guys wanna know, then please stay tuned. Guys, I'm applying rosehip oil as my primer. Massage it all over your face and leave it for 10-15 seconds before applying foundation. And for the foundation I'm using is the MAC foundation NC15. So I'm taking a damp beauty blender. You can use a brush as well. So I'm just gonna blend this all over my face. Make sure you blend everything. Guys, for the concealer I'll be using is the Maybelline in the shade Fair, and I'll be applying it under my eye, the chin, and the pimple where I need to hide, the dark spots that I need to hide. And I'll be using is the same damp beauty blender to blend everything. Now let's bake, not the muffins but my face. So I'll be using is the Airspun loose powder, applying it under my eye. So I'm gonna bake this not for a long time because I have a very dry skin. For the eyebrow I'll be taking is the Deep Brow Pomade in the shade dark brown, and I'll be following my natural eyebrow and filling it, not making it too dark. So guys, I like natural eyebrows, so I make sure I don't dip too much in the product. I try to use what's in the brush, so I make sure to blend everything nicely and make it look natural. So I'm taking the same Maybelline concealer and applying it under my eyebrow to make it sharp and clean. I'm taking is a white but flat angle brush to conceal my eyebrows, which makes it very easier to blend. Guys, I did the other brow off camera because he was taking too much of time and I don't want my video to be too long. And brushing off all the powder on my face, not baking it for too long. For the eyeshadow I'll be taking is the Huda Beauty palette. I'm taking the shade Demure and applying it all over my crease. I'll be using 3 different shades of brown: Demure, Cocoa, and Henna. I'm taking the shade Cocoa and applying it all over my crease as well. I'm taking is a big fluffy brush to blend the eyeshadow, which makes it so much easier to blend everything. Taking the shade Henna, I'm gonna apply it all over my crease as well. I will not apply on my eyelid because I'll be doing a cut crease. I'm taking is a big fluffy brush for eyeshadow, which makes it so much easier to blend. Taking the shade Man Eater, the last shade from my crease, applying it all over my crease, making sure it's nicely blended and dark. For the cut crease I'll be using is the same Maybelline concealer and a flat angle brush to cut the crease and making sure it's clean for applying the shimmery eyeshadow. Taking the shade Black Truffle, I will try to create a wing. so I can fly high and travel the world, and you will never see me again. Kidding, guys. Okay. I'm doing a voiceover, and I'm doing the voiceover for the first time, and it is really hard to match up with the video. So guys, please show some love and don't mind my voice. It's too late. I really want to upload this video today, and it's now or never, guys. Now or never. Taking the shimmery eyeshadow in the shade Bubbly, I will be applying it all over my eyelid to give nice pop. I'll be using 24K as well and applying it on my inner corner of my eye, and I'll be using is the Rimmel eyeliner pen and applying it very close to my lash line. Volume Express mascara by Maybelline, applying on my eyelashes. I'm taking the shade Cocoa and applying on my waterline to create that big eye, and applying mascara as well on my upper lash and lower lash to give the nice natural and full eyelashes. Using the long dramatic lashes from eBay and contouring my face with the bronzer from Benefit, and contouring my face, jawline, nose and forehead. Contour makes everything better, so I always contour my face because I have a very round face. So when you contour, it just makes your face a bit slimmer and sharp, and accentuate your structure of your face. And I'm just blending everything. I'm applying a concealer on my bridge of a nose so it can make my nose smaller and thinner. Yay, now it's time for the blush, my favorite part of the makeup. So I'm taking the pink by Colourpop and applying it all over my cheeks. Now after applying a lot of blush, I'm satisfied. Now it's time to shine. I'm using a Gold Motion highlighter, applying on my cheeks, tip of my nose, my forehead, a little bit on my chin, so I can shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Yeah, girl, shine bright like a diamond. It's time for the lips. I'll be taking is the shade Big Proposal from Essence and a liquid lipstick by Colourpop. And now for the lips, let's line my lip with the lip liner and then fill it in. And then I'm gonna take the liquid lipstick and just apply it in the middle of my lip to give that nice color. Last but not the least, the setting spray from MAC. I'm spraying 2-3 times on my face and leave it for a few seconds to dry up, and that's it. And that's my full glam makeup using Rose Gold palette. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.